What's up, Soul? Good morning. Yes, I'm on my own today, recording this quick video for you guys. Let me fix this. Hope you guys see me very well. Well, today, okay, that's much better. Someone asked me, well, they didn't ask me. No, this is my early morning look, no makeup, no nothing. But I did at least wrap the head up, okay? My face is doing a little bit better. It's still a little swollen up in here, but it's coming down. I'm getting the work done. Yes, I had to see all that. I have footage coming. I'm trying to wait to put everything together, you know, for the upcoming vlog for you guys to go on my journey with my whole dental work. But that's neither here or there. We're here for what you saw on that thumbnail. Someone asked me in the comment, fluffy eggs. And I thought, somebody don't know how to make eggs? And I thought about it. I know a couple people who don't know how to make eggs. Right? They either scorch them, they burn them, they undercook them, or they scramble them too hard, make them crumbly. Well, I'm going to show you what I eat in the morning. About 3 times a week, this is what I eat in the morning for me, using how I make my eggs. To me, they're fluffy. You can make the judgment yourself whether or not they're fluffy. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, guys, I'm back. I had me 2 eggs here. In my eggs, I like a dash of pepper. I like garlic powder, just a little bit, like a half a teaspoon of everything. And of course, I love parsley flakes, you guys, because I just like my eggs to have a taste, you know, just ordinary eggs or whatever. And then you're going to top it with your favorite cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese today. Yes, I am. So you're going to beat it really, really well. Try to use a good non-stick pan. And I think beating plays a real factor when you're trying to get a nice fluffy egg. Some people add water or milk to make their eggs nice and fluffy. And more pepper and stuff you use, it's going to change the coloration of your eggs. I like pepper, so that's why they're a little dark. But, okay, let's go over here to my pan. Turn my pan on. Okay. Turn my pan on low, guys. I'm going in with a piece of butter. Not that much. Just get the pan nice and hot. I'm not even going to let this butter melt in here. I just this is what I normally do. Just grease the pan with the butter. Let that pan sizzle just a little bit, but you don't want your butter to turn brown. And I'm going to go in with my egg. I'm going to get it whole. Ooh, I get my spatula. I'll be right back. Okay, so you see how the eggs are starting to cook around the sides? Form. You just want to push down on them. I am not a genius at making eggs, okay? But I know my family will say, oh no, Mom, can you make the eggs when we do something or have something? So as the eggs start to form around the edges, and then cook them, don't rush them. I had mine on like a 4 because, and make sure you want to have a good non-stick pan. And see, look, as they start to like coat and form up, that's where that fluffiness come in around the edges. And this is only if you're really trying to be precise.
That looks good.
And then at this point, after I fold and all that, I like to add in whatever cheese. Today, I'm going with a mozzarella. And as much as you like, that's what I like. And then I'm just going to wrap it and fold it. And there go my egg. It's nice, it's fluffy, it's done. I want to remove it from the pan. And there go my egg. And if you like, some people like to have cheese on top. You can sprinkle a little cheese on top of there. That's what I like. And of course, I love tomatoes and eggs. It's just what I do. I'm addicted to garlic, to parsley, so I just add a little bit more. I put some on top of my tomatoes, guys. A little pepper. Oh, that blueberry muffin, I did not make. Okay, I got it from Aldi's. Aldi sells the most awesomest blueberry muffins. So yeah, guys, this is how I make my fluffy eggs. Hey, I say they fluffy. They're fluffy for me. They may not be fluffy for you, but if you follow all my tips, I think you'll have some really fluffy eggs without using water or milk to make a fluffy. A lot of people do, but it seems to me it changed the texture of the eggs. So this is what I'm eating for breakfast today. A nice fluffy eggs, 4 tomatoes, and a blueberry muffin. And I had some tea brewing. So guys, until next time, please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. This loaded potato is done. This is the way I like it here in my house. Guys, again, add some broccoli to it if you want vegetables. This will be an all-around full meal. This is a loaded baked potato by me.